Hi, this is Chris from SimpleMaps.com, and I'm going to show you how you can visualize data using our online customization tool. So maybe you have data about different states, maybe it's income, maybe it's unemployment, maybe it's about the weather. Whatever it is, you can visualize this either for a US state or for countries in the world or for provinces in Canada with our online tool. So first go to SimpleMaps.com and then choose your map. We're going to use a US map in this illustration, but you can choose one of our many other maps and then click on Customize Online. Okay, and we're going to go to the Data tool because we have data. You can customize all the other aspects of the map if you like. And you should have some data in an Excel spreadsheet, and you can just copy and paste it, or you can just enter in your numbers manually. You just enter in a number, but I have copied some data from Excel. I'm just going to paste it in with Control V on Windows. So we have a bunch of data. We need to choose a base color. So we could go with red, but let's choose something a little bit softer with the blue maybe, using our color picker. And then you just can decide how you want the data sorted into different groups. So this tool creates 5 different groups, 5 different colors, and you can either sort states equally into 5 groups, so each group has the same number of observations, or you can take the total range of your data and have the range of the data be divided equally into 5 different groups. So you may have more states that have one color than another, but the range of the data is divided equally. So you can kind of play with those to see what's best for your application. And then you can choose rounding. In this case, we have data that is between 0 and 100, and so we're just going to round to 1s. But if you had more detailed data, you might want to round your legend. We just click Save and Visualize, and pop, all the data comes up. So we have some locations on the map. I'm going to delete those. Those aren't necessary for this. And you can play with different colors. So maybe you want to change it to green. You can switch and everything changes. So it's really simple. Now, you might notice when I go over the map, the hover color is the same hover color as before we made any changes. And you might not like that. So it's easy to fix. What you can do is go to the States tab and just either change it to a hover color you like, but what I like to do is you can just turn the hover color off. And this is useful because really hovering is, the color is providing some information. And to let people know which state they're hovering over, we can go to the Settings tab and we can use either border color or border size. In this case, I think we use border size. Just make the border bigger when you hover over a state. Or you could make it change color and get bigger too. And maybe you'd like the label to change color as well. So you can kind of play around with it to see what looks good for your site. And there you have it. So when you're all done, you can save it. But one last thing before I go, you'll notice right now we don't know what the actual values are. If you want to add the actual value, you can take this code word, pound, data pound, and you can just paste it in to the description tab. So you can say value, and then go back to our data tab, revisualize our map, and value of 8, value of 9, value of 23. And maybe you could put something to say the unemployment rate is, and then a percentage sign if that's what you're working with. So you have a lot of options that way. And then when you're all done, we can go ahead and we can save the map. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click this green save button. And the map now is saved to this URL permanently. So you can bookmark this page, come back and make changes later. And if you want to download the map, you can download this map as a trial. And if you open this up and extract it, we're able to see the map. So extracting the map off screen, I came back, we can click on test, and here we go. Here's our map with a link back to where we customized it and a link to purchase the map. So there you have it, really easy. You can visualize data and have a beautiful map on your website in no time. This works on any map, not just the US map that we offer at SimpleMaps.com. So thanks for checking us out. Check out our site or shoot us an email if you have any questions. Thanks.